Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by checking surface integrity and safety. Put on a respirator and gloves. The paint blocks fine dust only if applied to a clean, dry surface. Once done, degrease with a solvent and wipe until no film remains, then sand high spots lightly to create a keyed surface. Make sure to vacuum and tack rag the area. Small particles undermine adhesion. Then mask trim and cover nearby items so overspray isn't a problem. This first phase sets adhesion and longevity. You now mix and test. Follow the manufacturer ratio, shake or stir until uniform, test spray on cardboard to check flow. Start spraying at an 8 to 10 inch distance in steady, overlapping passes. Apply 2 light cross coats rather than 1 heavy coat to avoid runs. Once coats flash off for the recommended time, add a third if coverage needs it. Make sure to maintain recommended temperature and humidity. Paint chemistry and dustproofing cure correctly only under those conditions. You finish by letting the coating cure undisturbed for the full time on the label, typically 1 to 3 days for dust-proof properties to develop. Then inspect under a raking light. Tiny pinholes or dust nibs are corrected by spot sanding with 400 grit, then recoat. If the finish shows orange peel, wet sand starting at 1,500 grit and progress to 3,000, then buff. This restores smoothness without stripping protection. If adhesion fails, check contamination or insufficient cure and repeat proper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.